Hi guys, this is my first video ever made it in Korea, and today we're going to open a pacK. Oh my god, is this? Yeah, a pacK. This is the front of the back. So let's get started. In the pacK, the card trick. So we got Burigaron. Oh my god, guys, sorry. And the next card is Shubu. Next card is Namudo. This is like all shiny. Oh my god, this ZP and those stuff is all wrong way, so I did that. Oh my god, we got a rare. And the last is an item. Not such a good pull, but we still got a rare. And it's all shiny. So yeah, bye. See you next again in the video.